Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how to adjust the speed on the Audio Technica LP60 in 2026. So first of all, you need to check the speed selector button on your turntable. You can choose 33 RPM for LP records or 45 RPM for singles. Using the wrong setting will make the audio sound too fast or too slow. Now for the line tuning, you need to first of all turn the unit over carefully. Then take a look at four small adjustments hole labeled 33 and 45 on the bottom of the turntable. These controls the internal speed calibration. Now you need to also use a small screwdriver to turn the adjustment slightly. Turn clockwise or counterclockwise in very small increments while testing the playback. Avoid over adjusting because the small changes can make a huge difference here. Now after doing this, you just have to simply play a record and listen it carefully. Just make sure that the sound is natural and it is not distorted in pitch. Repeat the small adjustments if needed. So that's how you can basically do it. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.